Okay. Hey, you have any drinks? I'm really thirsty and need something. Can I have like a lemonade?
You see that water over there?
Yeah.
It's as refreshing as anything we have here.
Oh yeah. Yummy, 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 yummy. Whatever that was,
Now,
because I
I'll
have no
pay
idea.
for that, sir.
We're playing Aqua up today with my best friend Cabby. I'm not
You
paying.
need to pay for that, sir.
No, 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 no. We're playing Aqua up, and that's that. I actually am really good at only up, so yay. Sigma, Ohio. Am I right? Cappy, that cost $35. Okay, don't go in the teleport. Don't go in. No, don't. I can't take this seriously. Wait. Wait, what if I risk Cappy from up there?
Didn't world.
No, no! No! Yes! Don't worry, Cappy, I got you. I got you, my G. Cappy, where are you? Cappy? Okay, let's see if I can roast this man. There's a bat. Okay. Both the way it might be impossible. I mean, it's possible. Ah! Cappy here. Cappy. I don't think this is gonna do anything, but oh, wait, go on the roof. Go on the roof. Oh, right here, Cappy. Right here. Right here. Jump. No! Bruh. What is that?
Get over here.
Eh! Dun, 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 dun. Whee! Happy. Let's move on to another only up. Yeah! Okay, guys, we're going to go to the next only up. Oh yeah. Woo! Mommy, look where I am. Now let's move on to the only up.
Start. Hold up.
What? Oh, hey. Okay, let's go, guys. Only up time, baby.
Nope, right.
Bro, that's not worked out in decades.
Thank you. How am I supposed to make it?
Oh my god. Okay, I can rose here. I'm gonna riz you over here, broski. No, why would you do? You won't make that.
Gracias, señor.
There you are, Cappy. No, yeah, yes. Try and make that. Use all your strength. You're a hero. No, ow, the game glitched.
Bro, well, how
No. Come here. I ain't playing no games with you no more, boy. Stop. Good capybara. No! Oh, I almost died. Bruh! How? I didn't touch the spike. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, Cappy had to leave, so I'm gonna be speedrunning this by myself.
Yeah, if I speedrun this and I actually don't die once, you have to like and subscribe. On 5 different accounts. I'm actually Sigma Kidros.
Subscribe on 5 different accounts. Subscribe on 5 different accounts. Yes! I'm in danger. I never beat this before. Wait, I own those. Why is the gang one? Okay, right, guys. There you go. No! You know what? Okay. Okay. Guys, this is gonna be the end of the video because I literally cannot beat this and I never have beat this. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and remember, subscribe on 5 different accounts because I beat that. If you want to, you don't have to. I'm just saying, do it, do it, do it. By the way, thank you for 33 subscribers, and well, yeah. See ya.